Hello fellow Lego fans, it is Elizabeth from the Toy Hoarder. I am back with another Let's Build Together video. This one is called RV Vacation. It's from Toy Story 4 and it's 178 pieces. Also the age range, I guess, is 4+, so the little ones can get in on this too. Alright, this set comes with 4 minifigures, and I actually do not have the appropriate Jessie figure that goes with this, but I do have the dirt covered Jessie, who is included in the garbage truck getaway set, which I have a video of up on my channel if you would like to see that later. So I brought her to play in this set. Here we go. Gonna have some little girl pieces on the side of this truck. Here's one. It looks like this blue piece is actually identical on both sides, so it doesn't matter which side you use as the front of your RV, as long as you keep it consistent throughout your build. Now, I did forget to mention, but on the front of this booklet, and I believe printed on one, possibly more of the bags, is a QR code. If you scan that with your phone, you'll be able to open up a free Lego app that will show you how to build this. Also, step by step, brick by brick, you can turn it around from all angles, top, bottom, sides, are actually printed on, and also zoom in and zoom out, because that means they won't peel off. Really great app for the first time building this set. I'd rather have the wrong sticker printed on it than a sticker on it that's peeling off, which would still be the wrong sticker, so either way, I guess, right? Ah. Drop the steering wheel right off. Alright, starting to look like we got a front of this RV here. Get some side windows in, and then we will put openable windows. Now I already left the glass panes inside here, but you can poke that in if you have not completed this set yet. And make sure your window is on the right side of your truck. Although if you want it on the other side, have at it. You can always make the build your own. Ah. For a second I thought I was missing a piece there, but I found it. Sorry, turn this around so you guys can see what I'm building. Alright, now on this side, this is where we're going to be able to serve food from. So, in order to be able to have the food sit on this little ledge, you need knobs on top, just like this. Alright. Frame this side of the food truck like this, and we will get some flat sections to go up here. Another flat red piece. And there should be a smaller flat piece. Here it is. Oops. Here it is. We're going to put onto the back. Alright, now the flat piece that just has 2 nibs on it. Oops, sorry, I actually put this one in the wrong place. Ah! Oh no! Okay. The flat piece that has 2 nibs on it used to go on this back portion, and then the other flat piece with 2 nibs. Make sure I'm doing this right. Yes, goes on the center portion. Because we will need to build up on these sides, so make sure you put those in the right position as you're building this. Okay. Trees out of the way. Alright, get some back headlights on here. Our little shelf there. Okay, now don't get confused at this part, guys. I've got a couple of these still stuck together. There are blocks that are fully sealed except for the very bottom, and then there's a block that has this long face open. You're going to want the open one for this part. There we go, got this little sink going on in here. We're going to put it right there in front of this window. All right. There we go. Now I have already inserted all of these center pieces into the wheels, so I'm good on that. Yeah. They all look the same, they're just different on each side. So on this one, they want the rims facing out. So we will insert the tires like so. There we go. Now as you can see, all of them are rolling okay, and all of them have the same designs on the inside. Alright, that was the end of bag 1, and when we open bag 2, we are going to have pieces of Rex to put together. Now he is just a body piece and 2 legs. He's a little bit like the Lotso minifigure, but cuter. I mean, if Lotso was a nicer character, perhaps I'd like him more. Just saying. Oh, actually, his tail comes off as well. Did not realize that. But there's a little blue part in it that I'm not going to be able to get out now to show you guys. But there's a little blue rod that you attach to get his tail on. Alright, so put these guys up here. Okay. Alrighty, let's build the top of the RV. Now you're going to want all these triangle pieces to hang off the edge because, they're actually going to be the awning for your little food delivery system outside of the RV. Alright, 2 windows up here. These are going to be the fully enclosed blue bricks. Now your slope is going to go down towards your window pieces. So the flat side is on this end, and the sloped end is down here. Turn that a little so you guys can see. And then we will add some more windows in here. Cool. This is a really fun piece. We are going to use it to cover up all of this part that we just built. There we go. Got some of this pretty blue. A slightly different color that we had on RC for both of our blue colors, actually. Alright, last two window bricks. Go right here on these sides. Make a big brick here. And we're going to slope these in. There we go. Sorry, losing my voice here a little bit. Alright, here's the rest of the top half of the RV. Put that on just like so. I think it'll be easier to attach this separately. Now there is a side of the ladder that has little holes on it, so you're going to want to make sure that side's facing down. They have it actually facing out, but I don't like seeing those holes in the ladder, so I'm going to have mine facing down when I build this, so you can't see the holes. Alright, now we get this set on top. I thought this yellow piece was going to be the awning of our open part, but it's not, which is interesting. Okay, inside our awning, we'll put a little croissant and a little red cup. I do not have the camera or skateboard pieces in here, so I am not going to add those in right here. Alright, our RV is running. I think this is a little bit strange that this awning doesn't actually fully cover the window or the selling portion. I don't know, but now we've got a rolling food cart and we've got a few more accessories to build. We're gonna need a sign for our RV park, so here it is. I am building this backwards on camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing here. Oops. Connect those two together and get this Grand Basin sign posted. Then we can make a tree. Sorry. Building it so you can't see. My bad. Put a little flower in there. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna need a gate for this, so we need a couple of these pieces already attached, but I'm struggling to get it apart, so connect these two pieces and then attach it here. And then your bricks already have the striping needed, so just make sure you line it up appropriately so that they connect, and then you're going to attach it tree on the wrong side, sorry guys. This is what happens when you try to build stuff backwards. There we go. Now the gate will open and close to allow vehicles to enter. Alright, now we can build a minifigure alien. Ah. Swinging gate happening here. So the alien is just 3 pieces. He's got his legs, his body, and then his head. And Forky is already fully assembled. So those are super cute. Get those standing up here. Alright, almost there, guys. Now we need a little building here at this RV rest stop. Forget I'm building this backwards, so try to make sure I put everything on the appropriate sides for you guys. Okay. Some little green flowers in here. Cute. Alright, get some glass windows, make sure they're facing out. These fun little shaped bricks in here. Little short log chopped pieces. Oops, I didn't push that down all the way. There we go. Roof from those 2 pieces. Now we've got this kind of double edge going on here. That's pretty neat. Got this little tiny lantern. Ah, here it is. It's super adorable, you guys. I'll turn this around so you can see. Make sure I put this on the appropriate corner. There we go. Alright, now we can build picnic benches. And of course the picnic benches would not be complete without a picnic table. And now we've got these mostly flat brown pieces, but they've got a little knob in the center, and that's so that we can put down plates and little food items on the table for when our characters are camping. Now I love this. So this is kind of like the little pizza piece, but it is actually decorated to look like the top of a tree stump. So that way when you connect this, sorry, I'm putting this on upside down, they can actually sit on this little tree stump. Super cute. Alright. Now we've got a plate and a little red cup. And then we decorate with flowers. And the flowers, guys, they can go anywhere that you want them to. I'm putting them where they are on the image for this build, but you can always move that around however you desire. Put a little more green space over here because we're going to need to do a campfire. Alright, let's see. There we go, got our little campfire grill going on. And we can build another tree to put in here because we're out in the woods traveling in our RV here. Oops, I actually have this right in the corner. But again, you can put the plants wherever, along with the food. Alright, let's see, let's get a sausage on here. Or a hot dog, I don't know. I guess the hot dog actually fits in the hot dog bun here. Put that on the plate. We've got an apple. I think that fit on the plate there too. A couple of these are extra pieces here. This is a s'more stick, which actually built upside down. There we go. And you can roast marshmallows over the fire that they've made. And you can also stick the stick here in between roasting. Oh, here. They put the hot dog on the edge of the grill. That's probably a little easier. Grilling that other hot dog, and we'll get the apple on the plate. Alright guys, we have made all the pieces of this set. Move this up here. Got a couple extra flowers in here and an extra faucet for inside the RV. I'm just going to move those aside for right now. I'll probably take those out of the set a little bit later. They're just extra pieces too. Alright, so here's what we've got. Show this a little closer up so you guys can see the whole effect. I'm a little sad that the ladder doesn't reach all the way down to the ground so that you can climb all the way up, but still a pretty cool set. I think it's also a little odd that this awning is not completely over either this window or the serving window. I think that's a little strange, but other than that, it was a pretty fun build. Fairly simple, a little more complex than some of the other Toy Story 4 sets, but that's just because there were more pieces involved. And of course you can add other flowers, trees, maybe some more green space or some dirt spaces if you want to have a little rodeo nearby or something fun like that. So have fun and join us again for another Let's Build Together. Enjoy! Bye!